Moving on to the pedal assembly, here are the locations where all the bolts are, and there's one on the left side right there. And this is the handbrake lever that you have to remove, as well as that clip. And after you remove all that stuff, it should slide out with a lot of lube. Pretty tight. Using a donor pedal box from a manual 540i, I was able to see the differences. First, I transferred the clutch pedal, since this 7 Series pedal box has a lever for the clutch pedal. Then, I had to deal with the master cylinder and the bolts that hold them on. After I transferred the clutch pedal, I had to clear up some room for the master cylinder, cutting down some of the aluminum that holds on the foot handbrake. I was able to get one bolt through to hold the master cylinder in place and still retain the foot handbrake mechanism. I also cut down the brake pedal, so now it looks exactly like a manual brake pedal should. I'm removing all the carpet to gain access to a plug hole in the firewall for me to push through so that I can install the clutch hydraulic lines for the clutch pedal. This is the clutch line that runs from the clutch pedal master cylinder to the slave cylinder on the bell housing of the transmitter. I'm also fishing through a wire to use so I can pull the clutch line up through the firewall to the brake booster, where it's going to get the fluid for the clutch pedal. I used the upper nipple on this master cylinder, and I just cut the tip with some pliers and installed the hose right over it. This is a bit tricky to install because of the foot handbrake cables and connecting the feed cable for the clutch fluid to the cylinder behind the pedal. And there we go, all the hydraulic plumbing has been done. The first question I get is, can you use an E39 manual drive shaft for the swap? The answer is no. The E39 or the E38 drive shafts are going to be 3 to 4 inches too small. In order to do the swap, you have to take your drive shaft from your 7 Series and extend it by 3 7/8 inches in order to fit for the manual transmission GetTrack 420G.